Hello everyone. So today we'll learn how to create lead in our CapService CRM portal. So once you log in, so after login, you need to go to leads. Now lead, there are two options. One, you create new lead, and second, you import the leads. So if you click on new lead, you can individually create a lead. For creating the lead, you need data related to lead status and lead source, and whom do we assign. Now how do we create lead status? Suppose there are 6 existing which you have created already. Suppose you want to create say 7th additional. So before that, before creating the lead, you need to go to setup, go to leads, and go to source. So you create, so these are the sources already there which you have created already. Now you want to create new source. So you have created new source and you created friends. So that means friends are giving you business. So you have created another source as friend. So it is appearing here as friend. Now status. So there are already 6 status are there. Suppose you want to sign lost leads. So you see here lost lead, and you define a color, maybe red color you can assign and save. And now go back to leads and create a new lead. So your new lead status is appearing here as lost lead. So this is a lost lead, and we created friend, and it is allocated to Roshni. And you write a name of the lead, Apurva Goyal, and you write the product, it is hosting another product, PR work, and you save the lead. So you have created successfully the lead which is appearing here, Apurva Goyal, lead, lost lead, friend. It was the source was friend. And suppose you want to add anything related to lead, you can add here proposal. If you want to submit a proposal, or you want to change the lead, that also possible. There are two ways of changing the lead. One, you go to here, go to edit and change the lead status, or second option is you go to Kanban, and the lost lead is appearing here somewhere. This is lost lead. If you want to change to inquiry stage, you bring that stage here. So it is now inquiry stage. Go back to switch to lead, and if you see, it is now coming at inquiry stage. If you want to change anything related to the lead, suppose you want to add any proposal or add any task or any attachment, you can do that. Just to show you another option where you have already done that. So in this proposal we have submitted, no, we have not submitted. Task we have created, no task. So I will go to another one. So yes, here we have created task. So the GST written file attachment we have done, no, nothing. We will go to another one. No proposal here also. No proposal, no task, no attachment. So here no proposal. Suppose you want to create a new proposal, that will cover in the separate section. So here we are talking just about leads only. So hope you have understood the lead creation. Similarly, you can import leads, your existing leads. Suppose first time you are doing this. So this is the sample data. You can download the sample file. Excel file will be there, or CSV file will be there, which is saved here. You can, same data will be there. If you go to that CSV file, feed all the data, whatever that is your company existing data, you can feed all those data, and just import again those leads. So you can import from here, choose file and import whatever was there. So sample file you open, source you define LinkedIn, status you define proposal stage, responsibility you define Shruti, and import. So all your data is already imported. Now total imported 1. If you go to leads, that lead will come here. So sample data all is already received. So you can import by way of import lead also and create new leads also. So that's all about the leads. Hope it was successful and a good session for you. Thank you.